Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today going to be opening up a second one of these 2021 Bowman Platinum Blaster boxes. Found these at the local Walmart, and they actually still have some. I went back there again. I've had this one for a couple weeks, just haven't opened it. And darn it, I don't have a knife over here. So I have to get creative on opening this thing. But they must not be that popular because this Walmart's had these for weeks now. So it's always strange. Some years Bowman Platinum is extremely hot, and some years I guess nobody wants it. Oh, there's some pack odds on the box. Maybe people were just kind of down on this year's rookies. I don't know. So put that back there. And we get 8 packs. Well, I mean, it's always better to be able to find something than some years you don't ever see a single pack of this stuff. So let's see what we get. Got Alec Bohm rookie, Mario Feliciano, that's something there, Garrett Cole, and Reed Detmers, like an ice card. I'll sleeve my ice. Alright, next pack. Manny Machado, Jose Salas, Keibert Ruiz, rookie, and a Hedbert Perez Meteoric insert. Well, this pack is definitely not proper. There we go. Austin Meadows, Simon Muzziotti, Paul Goldschmidt, and another ice card, Giancarlo Stanton. I love the ice cards in these Bowman Platinums. Not numbered, but cool. Alright, we've got a Casey Mize rookie, Heston Scherstad, Freddie Freeman, and a JJ Bleday. Not sure what this insert series is called. Chris Bryant, Yasel Antuna, Anthony Rizzo, and a Pete Crow Armstrong ice card. Looks pretty off-center though, but that's neat. Okay, 3 packs left. Miguel Cabrera, Justin Foscue, Rafael Devers, and a Pete Alonso pink out of 199. That's pretty cool. Didn't know there was a pink parallel. So we got a numbered card out of this stuff. All right, next pack. The polar bears. Jorge Soler, Beckway, Geraldo Perdomo, and Steven Strasburg ice. And our final pack. Josh Donaldson, Bryson Stott, Trevor Story, and a renowned rookies Dylan Carlson insert. All right, so a few rookies in there and a pink out of 199, Pete Alonso. All right, stay tuned for more videos later.